Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Welcome to the chemistry class once again for this week. As you already know, we are dealing with acids, bases, and salts, the second chapter of chemistry. Two parts of salts we have already done. So let's start with the third part for salts, in which we'll be talking about two more salts today. One is your plaster of Paris and another is washing soda. So let's start with our first salt. First salt here is plaster of Paris, which is also commonly known as POP. It is obtained by heating gypsum, which is a hydrated salt of calcium. Why hydrated? Hydrated means it is having a fixed number of water molecules of crystallization. So the formula for gypsum becomes here CaSO4 2H2O, calcium sulfate with 2 water molecules of crystallization. When this gypsum is heated at 390 Kelvin temperature, it gives rise to plaster of Paris and water. Here, try to understand one thing. In the formula for gypsum, we have 2 molecules of water. And in plaster of Paris, it is half molecule of water. So, 1.5 molecule of water gets separated here. After again, if we put water into this plaster of Paris, then it again changes into gypsum. This is something very important to understand here. And another important thing here to be taken care of, that gypsum should be heated very carefully. The temperature should not exceed 390 Kelvin. Otherwise, it will lose all the water molecules and anhydrous calcium sulfate, that is CaSO4, will be formed, which is called as dead burnt plaster, and it has got no use. This question comes in the exam, children. This is something very important. The temperature on which the gypsum has to be heated should not exceed more than 390 Kelvin. Otherwise, instead of getting the useful product, we get dead burnt plaster. Plaster of Paris is used in making toys, designer, fall ceiling, etc. Doctors are also using this plaster of Paris, that is POP, to set the fractured bones. So now the next salt we'll be talking about is washing soda. The formula for washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. This is the formula for washing soda, and this is washing soda is manufactured by Solvay process, we have already done, and this is also called as ammonia soda process. Why is it called ammonia soda process? Because here in the formation of sodium carbonate Na2CO3, first of all NaCl is to be taken along with carbon dioxide, ammonia and water, which give rise to ammonium chloride and sodium bicarbonate, and then sodium bicarbonate is heated to get sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide and water. Here in this process, children, we are getting sodium carbonate, only Na2CO3, but our washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. So this again, the reaction is going to be there, in which water is going to be added to Na2CO3 to get washing soda with the formula Na2CO3 10H2O, which is also called as sodium bicarbonate decahydrate. Since there are 10 water molecules in washing soda, therefore the name is decahydrate, sodium bicarbonate decahydrate. So we'll be talking about few uses of sodium carbonate, this washing soda. It is used in cleaning of clothes, especially in rural areas, in making of detergent cakes and powders, and removing permanent hardness of water, and it is also used in glass and paper industries. So that's all for today. We will you will be just doing these two salts, and with this we have finished with the chapter number 2 also. So tomorrow I'll be giving you the question answers to be done for the salts, If you have any doubts, you can always ask your doubts in the Zoom class. So, all the best, children. Best of luck. Take care.